Welcome to JSS Matriculation School Talavadi Social Class. Today I go to explain Geography lesson number 1, Lithosphere 1, Endogenetic Forces. Continue part. Today I go to explain you plate tectonics. The lithosphere is divided into a number of huge slabs of rocks called tectonic plates. These tectonic plates are divided into major and minor plates. These plates float independently over the mantle. Collisions of these plates produce mountain ranges and other irregular surface features. Both land and the ocean flow. This phenomenon is called plate tectonics. The movement of tectonic plates is due to the thermal energy from the mantle. Now, we have a better understanding about the plate movements and its relations to earthquake and volcanic activities. The types of plate boundaries. First one is convergent boundaries. How it will be occur in the picture. Mainly now, the convergent boundaries, the plate moves towards each other and sometimes a plate sinks under the another. The location where the sinking of a plate occurs is called subduction zone. Fold mountains of Himalaya. That is one the example of these convergent boundaries. The next one is divergent boundaries. Here the plates pull away from each other as a magma when the earthquake will be occur now. Volcanic activities will be occur now. So pushes up the mantle mid-volcanic ridges only occurs in that ones. This is called divergent boundaries. The next one is conservative transform boundaries. It occurs when earthquake will be occur. Here the plates slide horizontally past each other. Example, San Andreas fault. When earthquake will be causes, the two lands will be differed. That's called transform boundaries. The next is movements of continental plates. How the earth will be moved upwards or lowards. This one we are called. Now we have to go see now. Due to lateral compressions of forces, the plates are forced to move upwards and downwards. This is called folding. This is called folding. Mountains formed by folding are called fold mountains. Look, see these pictures will be there now. The process of folding creates lofty mountains ranges such as Himalayas and the Alphas. According to plate tectonic, the plates are in constant motion with an average rate of few centimeters per year. Every year, the continents are moved. The next is, the movement might seem slow, but over millions of years, the plates and the continent rids on them move a long way. For example, about 250 million years ago, the next slide we have to show now, the Indian plates was a part of the Gondwana land, which comprise of modern Africa, Australia, Antarctica and South America. Now the past point we learned that the Gondwana land in 250 years. Now see, our earth, how will be the look? Our earth and the continents in 250 years, that we are called Permianians years, 250 million years ago. The next one is the Godavana. We are called Triassic, 200 million years ago. The continents look like this. Tectonics and Godavana lands and the equators look like that will be state. Our earth will be seen now. The next one is Jurassic year. We are called now 145 million years. How the continents will be moved towards and north and south directions look like that. The next one is approximately 140 million years ago, the Indian plate broke away from the ancient supercontinent Godavana and began to move north and collide with Asia. So in this spot will be moved towards that and divided now. The next one is Cretaceous. We are called now 65 million years ago. How our continents will be joining and how will be located. We are going to see in there now. The next is now present day. How that our world we can see earth look like this type. The 7 continents will be now. So every year our earth will be changed to millions. We have count like as a millions years. The collisions of the Eurasian plates along the boundaries between India and Nepal formed the organic belt that created the Tibetan plateau and the mighty Himalayan mountains.